In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Drive account on your desktop. This is a question many people have, and navigating through the process can sometimes feel like a bit of a maze, but don't worry, I'm here to make it simple and straightforward for you. To start off, open up your preferred internet browser and head over to Google Search. Type in "How to change Google Drive account on desktop" into the search bar. This search will help you find the latest and most relevant information on changing your Google Drive account, ensuring that any recent changes or updates to Google's interface are covered. Remember, technology continually evolves, and keeping up to date with the latest info is crucial. Once the search results appear, click on one of the highlighted links that come up, or, if you're lucky, Google might have a direct answer or suggestion right at the top for you, saving you some time and effort. You'll often find that hovering over the highlighted link gives you a preview, making it easier to decide if that particular page contains the information you're looking for. This can save you a lot of time sifting through unnecessary details. After you've found the resource that best fits your needs, you should arrive at a page that provides instructions or a guide on how to change your account. You might have to click through a few links before you find the most up-to-date and comprehensive steps, but don't rush. Take your time to understand what is required, as this will ensure a smoother transition between your accounts. Typically, changing your Google Drive account involves going over to your Google account settings or directly to the Google Drive interface. You usually start by locating the profile icon, often at the top right of your Google Drive page. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. From there, you would either sign out of the current account or switch to another account if it's already been added to the list. To add a new account or switch, there's generally an option to manage accounts or an add account button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter the credentials for the new account you wish to use. Enter your email and password, and presto, you're now signed into your new Google Drive account and ready to start accessing the files and documents associated with that account. I hope this video has provided you with the clarity and guidance needed to change your Google Drive account on your desktop. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to look for answers in Google's help forums or community threads, where many users and experts collaborate to offer solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.